Invert for smart filters. The shortcut for that is Control Shift M. And now what I'm going to do with smart filters is we're going to apply two effects here. We're going to apply first the noise. We're going to go to Filter, Noise, Dust, and Scratches. And I recommend doing the radius between 4 and 10. I'm going to do 9 here. And the beautiful thing about this, I'll show you afterwards, after I add this next effect, which is Blur, Gausian Blur. And again, you want to probably do, I recommend between 2 and 4. It allows you to do a decimal point. The beautiful thing about these effects is if you don't like them, you can double click them and then you can click OK, but then you can change them at your will. So if you thought it was too blurry, you can do that. And so now you can see with these two effects, a smart filter, a filter is automatically given to you. So we can do the same thing we did with the eyes and with the teeth. So I can press Control I to invert that mask. I can press my brush tool, and then I can start brushing in the skin I want to be more blurry, aka smooth, and just smooth out everything. I can press the plus or minus key to make my brush bigger. I can press the slash key to again see my mask. So this is what I am smoothing out here. And again, I usually like to do the cheeks. If you see, I don't want to get closer to the detailed spots like the teeth, nose, or mouth. But the cheeks and where you want the skin to be very smooth is really nice. Maybe I'll do the top of the nose. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. And maybe the lower chin if you like to do it. So yeah, so there you go.